Hello YouTube, this is Jacob again, and today we're going to be doing a cold start on my weed whacker, trimmer, whatever you call it. It's a Craftsman 25cc, and this is my newest one. My oldest one is way in the back here, because I don't really need it right now. And yeah, we're going to be doing a cold start. Prove it's a cold start, because I can stick my hand on the muffler. Hand it on the muffler. Okay, let's put it on choke. Let's put it on timer. About 1, 2, 3 times. Let's give her some pulls. Sorry, boy. Sorry about that. Instantly tossed you. Take her off full choke. Should actually give it a little throttle. So actually, I have to set you down for a couple seconds, boys and girls, whoever. Yeah, all she needs was some throttle. Craftsman 25cc weed whacker. Cold start. Thanks for watching.